Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create our own highlighter effect in Doodly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Adding a highlighter effect can make key points in your videos stand out, making your message clearer and more engaging. Whether you're emphasizing text or you want to make certain words pop, this effect is simple to create. Let me show you what I have first, and then we'll create a little video with it. So if you notice, I have obviously this highlighter effect, and I have two scenes with it, and I wanted to show you the two different ways you can make it appear. So let's take a look. Here's our first one, and it fades on, and then we write the text on top. And then the second one, we write the text, and then we draw the highlighter effect, and then I put the text on top of that so that it doesn't get wiped out. Let me show you. When I put the highlighter on top of the existing text, it makes it kind of muddy. Now I've already created a short video that we're gonna do some highlighting on. As you can see, it's pretty text heavy and you don't know what's gonna be emphasized, right? So I want to emphasize on sale now. So where do I get that highlighter text? Well, we're gonna create it. What I want to do is I'm going to right click, save this as an image, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. It doesn't need to be high resolution. Okay, I'm in Canva, which is a free tool that you can get and use, and there's all kinds of things you can do with it. I'm going to drag and drop that image from Doodly right into it. And the only reason I'm using this is just so that I can create a highlight stroke that's the right size for the text I want to do. So I'm just using it kind of as a template. So right here, on sale now. So go over to Elements and type in highlighter, which I recently did, and then see all. And then you can choose whichever one you think might work nicely. So I'm gonna choose, let's see, I'm gonna do a green one this time. So let's try this one. And that size should work just fine. So what I want to do now is delete my image. And if I want, I can make this much larger now. So I know when I shrink it down, it will work nicely with the text I have. So I think that's fine. Let's go ahead and export that. Make sure to choose SVG and transparent background. So green highlighter. We'll go back into Doodly. Go to props. Hit the little blue and white plus sign, and I'm just going to drag and drop this in. And there it is. And right now it's on top. So what I can do is just put it right behind my text, like so. I'm going to tell it to fade. I like the fade effect. And let's make it a short fade. Half a second should be fine. And let's just take a look. And I like that just fine. Now, what if you want the hand to draw it on instead? That second example that I showed you. That's easy to do, so let's do it. So hit the pencil icon. Instead of having fade, we want it to draw. And then we need to tell Doodly how to draw it. Since this one has all these little marks, we could do it, like swiping across like this and have it draw on like that. So let's do that. Let's give it a fatter path size. Okay, that's good. Save and return. And now we'll need to adjust the timing up just a little bit. Give it time to do its scribble. We'll try 2 seconds. That might be a little too long. Let's see how that looks. That looks good. And then one final effect that we could do is we could put it on top. So we want the text to write first and then highlight it. So we change the position and now it blocks it out, so we need to make it lighter. So you go to the little gear icon, and let's try 50%. And that's where you get that kind of muddy look. So I like it, but I want the text to be brighter. So let's just look at it, and then we'll do the other step. Okay, so see, it's a little muddy, right? So easy. All we have to do is select this one and copy it and paste it. Controller Command C to copy, Controller Command V to paste. So now that's on top, but it's going to draw on again by default here. So let me just show you what's going to happen. So it scribbles on, and then it's going to draw it on like that, and I don't want that, and it's in the wrong part here. So we want to make sure this comes right after the highlighter, and then let's make it a 0 duration for the drawing, so it just pops on. So here's what it looks like now. So it scribbles on, and then the text just appears on top. So let's just take a look. Pretend we have a voiceover. And there you have it. That's how you can use Doodly and Canva together to create a highlighter effect for your Doodly videos. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.